Hi, I'm Megan from the Baltimore Cash Campaign.
Hi, I'm Amy from the Maryland Cash Campaign.
We're here to talk a little bit about savings bonds opportunities at VITA sites. CASH stands for Creating Assets, Savings, and Hope. Since 2001, the Baltimore and Maryland Cash Campaigns have been helping families claim earned tax credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit and the Additional Child Credit. Every year nationally, millions of dollars are returned to working families. The average refund of a VITA family is about $1,600, and families work hard for that money. While $1,600 might not be a huge change for some people, that can be a really big financial boost for families that are making $20,000 a year. Research shows that people tend to spend their tax refunds on catching up on bills like mortgages, late utility payments to BG&E. They also tend to account for this money differently than they do for other money that they budget for during their regular lives. Just think about the ways that you've spent your tax returns in the past. Tax time is a great time to talk to families about savings. You get a windfall of money that you hadn't been necessarily accounting for in the same way, and even if you are planning on using it to catch up on bills or buy something you've been waiting to have the money for to buy, you can still save just a small portion. Emergency savings cushions are really important for low-income and working families. A $2,000 emergency can really derail a family from financial security. If your car blows up, if your water heater blows up, and you don't have the resources to pay for that, that could really spell disaster. But if you have just a small little amount of emergency savings cushion, that can make all the difference. Savings isn't about how much you save, it's just about creating the habit. So one opportunity that we can present to people that we see at VITA sites are savings bonds. Savings bonds are a great product for families that we see at our VITA sites. They're safe, they grow, they compound quickly, especially if people have long-term savings goals like sending a kid to college or retirement. Savings bonds are built into the tax form. You can use Form 8888 at the end of preparing a tax return to ask someone if they'd like to split their refund and buy a bond with a portion of it. So say someone gets a $1,000 refund. Maybe they're accounting for most of this tax return to do other things with it, but then you can ask them, do you just want to save $50, $100 of this? You can start really making progress towards long-term savings goals, even just little by little. If you do it at tax time every year, I mean, that really adds up over time. So all you have to do as the tax preparer is ask. That's it. At the end of every return, please just remember to ask the person that you're working with, would you like to save a little bit of this in a savings bonds today? We're going to tell you all about savings bonds, give you everything you need to know. There will be fun incentives, resources at the site. Just remember,